First, use the trim removal tool to push the lower grille, in order to gain access to the mounting points for the light bar. You'll push in starting with the outside and slowly toward the center, loosening. Then you push it from the bottom and pull it out from the grille. Next, remove the tow hook and 3 bolts behind the grille. Put the light bar bracket into the bumper and mount the light bar on it before securing the brackets on the bumper. Finally, securing the bracket and adjusting the light bar's angles. If you have installed a wiring harness, you just plug and play. Otherwise, here are the steps about wiring harness installation.